Do you have anybody in there with you?
Yeah, I got one person with me, and then he's gonna be back here with the medics if we.
Okay. Hey, just take this the little shitty room right there. Ben, we got guys moving on this side now. Through the tree?
I'll get him.
Hold on. I'm just waiting for him to...
Huh?
I'm just waiting for him to... Okay. Let me get out. Yeah.
He's sitting down. He's on his knee.
I see him. Oh, come on there. I heard that shit. Jacob, you heard that, right? The round hit impact? Oh, well, he didn't like say anything. He just picked up and started running the other way. Okay.
I think I got it. Because he did the same thing. He literally just turned around and started walking back.
Oh, come on, man. You see him there still? Okay. Why? What's up? Yeah.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I got him.
Did you hit him?
Yeah, like a lot of times.
I just don't know what the range on this thing, you know?
It's too cold, Jake. It's too cold.
Okay. Did it malfunction?
It malfunctioned.
Okay. Is this dude alive right here?
The dude sitting right there?
Yeah.
Like he better dome his forehead.
Okay.
What'd he say?
He said hit. He thought, I guess he didn't think I had range on him or something.
You got that gas blow back.
Hey, it's an LM4 with 3 2s, so I mean.
Shoot a straight line to his forehead.
Hey, what's going on? You're not working?
Hey, I put some money into this thing. It better work.
I remember you running all fucking gas blowback today.
Yeah. I've learned my mistakes. New York, on the other hand, that's too cold. You can't. Money can't make that work.
Daytona guns can.
You can suck a dick.
I'm just saying.
They're definitely trying to get on the wall.
Hey!
Ruggs, watch me. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Inside.
Watch first room!
Is he in there?
Hold on. I think I just saw him.
Hey! Ruggs.
Outside windows. Hit!
Okay. Yeah, no. Ben, do you have an unjamming rod? I got a double feed.
No, I don't have them on me.
I have a double feed. Is your?
Outside windows.
I got him, but I have a double.
Right here. Outside is this window too now. You gotta guard this though.
Ben, a double fin.
Get away on 4, how about you? I told you.
1 Mississippi.
No, I'm dead.
Okay. Throw me a mag, bitch. Bitch, throw me a mag. Ben, throw me a fucking mag. Hold on. Ben! Hit! No, it didn't hit you. It didn't hit you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it hit me.
Mine's not shooting.
1 Mississippi. 5 Mississippi. You're up.
I might be out.
That definitely shot him. Hold on. Me.
Hit!
How many medics is that?
Oh, it hit me like this. It's the first time I've died.
Okay. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi.
Mine's not shooting.
Shh, right here. My bad. Hit. I'm dead. Dead man. Hold on, don't shoot me. I'm dead. I'm going this way. Oh, this is a mistake. Hold on. There's a dude right there. Hold on, I see our entrance.
You got that window. Watch the window.
Hold on. Got him.
Oh, he called it.
Left window. Cover me reloading. Who's behind me? Okay. So.
I'm sorry. He's still in my left window.
Okay. Keep that covered. Ben, you got this, right?
Yeah.
Here. Replace Ben and medic this.
That guy.
Or watch that right side. Replace him. Go low.
Watch this far left flank. I see some moving through the woods there.
They can't leave the building, so.
Oh, I think that's an admin. Never mind.
So this dude in the doorway right here got medicked?
Yeah.
Okay.
He got pulled to the right.
So if someone can cover this window, I need at least 1 or 2 guys to push with me. Okay, so we need a guy on the right side to cover that window, a guy on this left side to cover this window.
Hit.
So no medics.
I got this one. Oh, really?
Yeah, you have to just go back and respawn. Rugs, you're gonna have to watch this side.
Hit.
Oh, hit.
Okay, hold on, watch out. So it's that window, the far left one.
What? That guy over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Damn.
Hit. Let's just go up to it. Here, watch out.
That's a friendly.
the plan?
I gave things
At least two.
Hey, no photo. Yeah.
Ben.
And especially indoors.
Rugs. Rugs. Hold on. This window right here in the doorway.
You can never take our hearts away. You can never silence what we say. You can't hold us down another day. The revolution is getting closer. Take a side. Can't be denied. We're rising up until it's
He's that guy right here's hit. Watch out right there. When you peek through there, they can shoot you from the back room. I want you to suppress from there. No, that's enemy. So peek, look. Chuck it in the back room. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I got that guy. He might be medic though. There's a guy right there. Ben, can I see it? Let me see the grenade real quick. Right here, right in front, right in front. Okay. There's a guy right here. Oh, it ripped the fuse out. Hold on, I got it. No. That's shitty. It ripped the whole fuse out. So, right here. What? Okay. Hey Tanner, we got these. Just start pushing the hallway. Okay, give me another. Back here. Bottom pouch. Right here. Yeah. No, I got it. Okay, look. So, when you peek this, you can see them through the doorway right there. They're in this back room. Hold on. Just peek that real quick. And just suppress them a little bit. Yeah, no, oh my God. And hit somebody with it? You got him suppressed?
I'm gonna back up, kick. David, how do you miss that? I mean, fuck.
I got friendly fired.
You're not right.